Today we're gonna play Blue Lock Rivals. Yeah, bro. So I played Blue Lock Rivals before. I kinda like it, but my teammates are annoying, bro. Bro doesn't pass the ball and it's blaming to me. I don't pass the ball. But bro doesn't pass the ball anyways. Bro, where are you? Bro, he's still yapping, bro. What are you gonna yap about? Bro, bro, that's what the hell. Very nice. Bro's a yapper. Bro is born to be a yapper. Yes. Go teammate. Go teammate. Go teammate. Go teammate. Score it for me, bro. Just shoot it already, bro. Bro's so dumb, bro. He could have just passed it already and we could have gold like this. I'll calibrate. Bro, the hell did I do? Bro, yeah, me for the win. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Never gonna look around. Oh hell now, we're doomed. Oh hell now, they're doomed. They're the one actually are doomed. Bye bye. Damn, bro, I took it hard. Never gonna give you up, bro. I just played this game like what last week ago. Nah, maybe last month, but I do not really play this game, bro. Bro, you cannot get past me. Bro's automatically lagging. Lagging. There, I get it. Yeah, bro, I'm freaking lagging. Damn, bro. Nice play. Bam. What the hell? Bro! The hell just happened? W, bro, W. Did, did, bro, what the hell happened? Well, I'm gonna emote on you. We're gonna let you. Easy win, bro. We're gonna win this easy. I'm the emo boy, emo boy, emo boy. Mm. Bro, what the hell just happened? Bro. Anyway, video, comment down below who is your favorite character in Demon Slayer, bro. Or else, if you don't comment your favorite character, this will be dumb as you. Bro, what the hell did bro do? Bro, can you help me find more about this game? Yeah, we're gonna win this easy. Bro, there we go. Bro, shoot it for... Damn. What the hell just happened, bro? Bro, that always happen if bro scored. Oh, thank you. Mm. There, bro, I passed it. Why am I quiet? Got quiet, I don't know. Bro, it's automatically lagging. Damn. Easy win, bro. We're winning this easy. Match and then. Yay. We won 2 more rounds. W teams, bro. W team. W team. They're the goat, bro. They're the goat. Absolute goat. You should know. Do you know that the goalkeepers is the hardest position in football? Because you're gonna do everything to block the shot, and if you don't block the shot, your team will be automatically mad at you. Bro, hello. There, the match started. Hey, bro, it's the real guy from the anime, bro. It's the real guy from the anime. Bro, easy goal. Easy goal, bro. Easy goal. That's my easiest shot ever. Bro, what the hell do you mean GG? Bro, what the hell this bro? There. Teach this guy a lesson. Yeah, bro. There's more than us than him. He's only one, we're like five. Bro, I think they're AFK. Easy win. Bro. Go, bro. We're only three. Score it, bro. Bro, this is the easiest part ever. 2v1. Yeah, bro. This is easy. Did bro just get it, bro? I'm gonna make it. I make it. There, bro. This like private server. Bro, I'm so bad at this game. There we got him cornered. Yeah, bro's doing everything he could to lose this game. Bro, damn, bro did him bad. Bro, even a week. Is that his aura? Pass to me. And let's go, bro. This is the last game actually. It's 11:01 p.m. in the night. Bro, what the hell? Why am I lagging? Thank you for getting the ball back, broski. Don't think, bro. That is my ball and my only. Hey, bro, just give it or give it up, bro. It's more than us. Whoa, they become two. Run, bro. They are two now. Shoot it. Oop. They believed. Bro. Easy win. W teammate. Dang, bro. They denied.